A lot throughout the broadcast is the late game heroics from San Jose. So, Robert, emphasizing right off the bat to stay with this team, don't let up.
Well, they didn't stay with their men, and they've answered with a beautiful shot from the left side by Morrow, who was wide open.
Yeah, no, that was all way too easy, but what a finish from Morrow at the end of it all. Picks out that far post with that left foot and just bangs it home. See it again, Corrales finds him ever so easily. Just a good touch, takes his time, and right inside that far post with a beautiful strike, Morrow, and the Goonies, they're back.
What a fine finish that was.